Hi everyone, my name is Brooke Harbin and I am an Outreach Associate with the Office of Community Health and Research at UAMS. My cooking partner today is my son, Berkeley. Today we will be showing you all how to make a healthier version of apple donuts using some nutritious and seasonally grown ingredients, like the ones provided to you in school meals. Learning how to make healthier snacks can help students learn more about math through measurements and language arts by reading recipes. Experiencing a new food, even just seeing it, touching it, smelling it, can make it more familiar and more likely to be enjoyed by kids. Engaging kids in food learning activities is a great way to encourage eating healthy and will highlight the benefits of eating fresh produce with an easy and fun snack recipe. First things first, we need to get all our supplies together. This recipe makes about 2 to 3 servings. You can use yummy Greek yogurt or creamy natural seed butter, your choice. We also need some sprinkles to go on our donuts. What we chose to use as sprinkles are blueberries, coconut flakes, raisins, and pumpkin seeds. Finally, we need to gather our cooking supplies. We will need a knife, a cutting board, measuring cups, and measuring spoons. Our first step will be to slice the apple using a knife. Just slice the apple into 3/4 inch thick slices and cut a small hole in the center of each slice. Then top each donut with your desired spread and top the spread. We're going to use healthy sprinkles. This is a great task for kids and gives them the opportunity to make a choice, and kids are more likely to try foods that they have chosen. Our apple donuts are complete. Good job, Berkeley, and thank you for all your help. Thank you, viewers, for joining us today and making this healthy, fun snack. I hope you feel excited to involve your kids in meal preparation and hope you make some yummy and happy memories.